Hello everyone, HattersWrath here. We are starting tonight's first of a few, hopefully many, videos of our Pokemon card pack openings. So, I really don't have the money to go for the old ones that everyone likes to see if you pull out the El Expansivo card, but I have a ton of packs that I've been collecting over the past couple weeks, and we are going to start opening them. Um, they're within the last couple of years that I've picked up the packs from, so that also includes a bunch of the Vivid Voltage, and I have a booster box that I'm going to do a separate video of. But tonight we got a whole assortment of cards that we're going to go through, ending off with some more Vivid Voltage, and got Rebels Clash, regular Sword and Shield, Steam Siege, whole bunch of stuff in here. So we're going to do those packs tonight. Hopefully pull some of the good cards out of them. So let's start it off. We'll do Vivid Voltage. All right. Now I got into this after watching some of the streamers or some of the YouTubers and some streamers opening packs. I was into Pokemon as a kid. I just recently was sent my old Pokemon cards from my parents. 4 for the card trick. So I also have a separate video showing off some of the old ones I have from the 90s. Right. Energy. Duat. Opal. Metang. Blitzel. Slugma. Beldum. Got Beldum Metang. We're going to get Metagross. Milcery. Wooper. Our reverse hollow is Woobat. And we got Beedrill. Just regular old Beedrill. Right. Get to our second Vivid Voltage pack that we're starting off with. Now we are just gonna knock these out, rock it out of the park, and you'll see my excitement if we pull something really nice. Energy. Alistair. Cramorant. Nessa. Galarian Meowth. There you go. Look at that. Chimecho. Looks like made out of yarn. That's pretty cool. Blitzel. Slugma. Beldum again. Reverse holographic Sableye. And Mudsdale. So again, we didn't get a holographic rare, but that's alright. I do like that Sableye. It's pretty cool. Right. Get a couple Rebel Clash packs here. Alright. This pack opened a lot easier than those Vivid Voltage did. I think this card trick is also 4. Hopefully. Right. Energy. Never can say this. Masquerain. Nugget. Tranquil. The Galarian Mr. Mime, which, by the way, they're going to have a community day coming up this weekend for it. Check that out. Pokemon Go. Snover. Pidove. Galarian Darumaka. Hatena. Ooh. Reverse Hollow Galarian Darmanitan. And a Scissor. Non-holographic. I love Scissor, so that would have been pretty dope to get a holographic Scissor, but that's alright. You win some, you lose some. Alright, next Rebel Clash pack.
At Papa Murphy's, we make
Right.
fresh pizza that you bake at home. Because home is where
Psychic.
pizza night means game on.
Your turn, Dad.
Home
Charger
is where we
bug.
turn up the heat.
Winner gets the last.
Skuntank.
Home is where we go
Full
all
heal.
in.
Galarian Corsola,
And home is
which
where
looks
we all
super weird.
Right now, get the cowboy pizza
Litwick.
with pepperoni, sausage, black olives, and mushrooms
Shinx.
for just $12. It's a game changer.
Roly Coly.
Let you win.
Right.
Papa Murphy's. Change
Applin.
pizza.
Reverse Hollow Clefairy. And a Pincurchin V. There we go. We got a full art card here. Make sure we slip that into one of these. Now, even if they're not worth a ton of money, I'm going to make sure that the cards like this end up in one of the sleeves, just in case they ever get to become worth something. The world of Pokemon cards is really weird like that. Sometimes you go from nothing to something. Just like this random jumbo card here is actually worth like 15 bucks. Mint condition. So
One taste of Nespresso Virtual
you never know what you'll get.
coffee, and people say some exceptional things, like,
All
"If I
right.
could marry this machine, I would." From
We'll do
Alex.
a Sun and Moon Crimson Invasion
What coffee
and a couple
meant
more
to
Rebel
you.
Clash cards
Nespresso
or packs.
Virtuo.
Now, you guys, I mostly stream, and if you haven't checked out my streams already, make sure to do that. My Twitch is HattersWrath. Most of my YouTube clips will be from my streaming. Right. Energy. Molga. Alolan Graveler. Lairon. Pudgy Cacnea. Got plenty of those out here in Arizona. Shelmet. Swablu. I like the art on these cards. Swinub. Reverse holographic Corphish. Actually, it looks like might be a full holographic Corphish. And Altaria. Maybe not full holographic, although it kind of looks like there's shininess on the whole thing in there. Get back to some Rebel Clash. All right. Kind of try to pick its speed up a little bit. So we're taking a little bit too long getting these out. All right. So I'm not really sure what cards we're looking for out of some of these random packs, but I do know that the Vivid Voltage, we want the Rainbow Rare Jumbo Pikachu, the chunky man. All right, reverse Hollow Natu, and a Barraskewda. Not holographic. The chunky Pikachu is going for a lot right now. And another video, I will be doing some Darkness Ablaze packs. I'll be looking for the Charizard out of that. Now, I will be giving most of these cards, whichever is not valuable, to my brother. Little brother. It's a funny looking coughing. Impadoo. Ooh. Reverse Hollow Zacian. And a Cramorant. Oh, I really like this one, though. That's a good one to get. Alright. Get a Sun and Moon Unified Minds out. And then back to some Rebel Clash again. Absolutely shredded that pack. Reset stamp. Okay. Got some hair cross action going on. Type Null. Carablast. Fletchling. Honedge. There we go. We got a Pikachu. Nice. Yeah, that's good luck. Hoot hoot. Reverse Hollow Hapu. And a Medicham. No luck on that one, but we did get Pikachu, so that's nice. All right, back to these Rebel Clash cards. Make sure they're down at the bottom. Do our best not to damage these. All right. Lampent. Another Medicham. Dreepy. Looks creepy. Galarian Farfetch'd. Honedge again. Timple. Vullaby. A reverse hollow Tool Scrapper. And a holographic Bosses or Giovanni. Alright. Have to check in and see how much that card is worth, if it's worth anything. Usually people like the Team Rocket boss. Trying to best opening pack. Some of them work with us, some of them don't. Right. I hope this series is enjoyable for everyone. I'm really putting it out there, trying my best to make content that people enjoy. I enjoy it as well. Oh, look at the full picks. Milcery. Dope Farfetch'd. The Galarian Meowth. Caterpie. Ooh, reverse hollow Galarian Mr. Mime. Yeah! And a full art Phalanx V. Yeah. That's what we're going for. I got these in the Elite Trainer box, the chunky Pikachu. So we'll slide that in here. Set that to the side. We'll put our Pikachu in one too. Just why not? All right. Move our whole pile over here. Got XY Steam Siege. Oh, is this not the same? Oh, whoops. Messed up the card trick. Apparently Steam Siege is not on the same card trick, but the rare for this is Gastrodon. So, my bad, everyone. We got Klefki, Armor Fossil Shieldon, Fluffy, Clauncher. Interesting, just put a C in front of a launcher. Meowth, Hoppip, Nose Pass, Nidoran Male, and a Reverse Hollow Rufflet. It was XY Steam Siege that we just opened. All right. Sorry, just looking on the back of that one card. Looked a little bit more faded than the rest. Ooh, that's a cool art for Luxio. There we go. We got the second evolution in Dreepy, Drekloak. Bronzong. Timpo. Pile of garbage. Literally. Helioptile. Honedge. Litwick. We got a reverse hollow Honedge. And a Luxray holographic. There we go. Get our Rebel Clash. Last one here for this pair. You know, I keep trying to switch it off to give us some different cards to work with here. Ooh, got the Luxio right off the bat again. And the Drekloak. And the Bronzong. I wonder if this will be the exact same pack pull. Shinx. Sanity Guest. Roly-Coly. Not exactly the same. Stunky. Clefairy. Ooh, a reverse holographic Duraludon. That's a nice card. And a Sigilif. So I like the Duraludon we pulled, but Sigilif not so much. Alright. So now we got 5 packs left. Let's do one more, our last Rebel Clash, and then we'll get into the Sword and Shields. Remember, if you really enjoy my content, make sure you check me out on Facebook, Instagram, Twitch, Twitter. I'm on all that stuff. You know, it's either at HattersWrath Gaming or HattersWrath. I definitely do a lot of streaming, so this is something I want to do to kind of break things up and change up what I'm doing. And Facebook, I'm going to have a couple of different stuff going on, things going on there as well. So make sure to pop in.
That's because Rocket Mortgage can give you a verified approval. It could help your offer stand out. Rocket Technology provides a rock-solid verification of
There's that
income,
weird-looking
assets,
Galarian
and
Corsola
credit,
again.
giving sellers greater
Ooh, a
confidence
Toxel.
in you. Go to
I like the Toxel.
rocketmortgage.com or call us today at 8338 Rocket.
Reverse Hollow Phalanx. That goes with the full art that we got earlier. And a full art Sonya. There we go. Getting some good stuff coming now. Right.
rim-rattling change up launching, fresher in the last than in the first power. Think you can take my power? With
Should put the
vitamin
Sonya
D
on there.
Witness, I dare you to look at my
That
power
card is nice and
the wrong way,
shiny.
because my power is only getting more powerful.
All right,
For more power,
Sword and Shield.
Stop by your local Fry's food stores and grab a bottle of Powerade Zero today. Powerade Zero, more power for me.
Something I would like to change in the world would be
I think this will be another 4-card pack trick, I believe.
and
We'll test it out.
empathy and love and caring.
You guys are seeing one of the cards already. Sorry.
One another.
Having issues getting that pack open.
That's the best way for everyone to truly understand each other.
Alright, it is 4.
Tap now to share how you feel and add to the One Future playlist. Calvin Klein.
And in the future, I might stream some Nintendo Switch games, which include Pokemon. So keep an eye on future stuff. Score bunnies. We got a starter. There we go. Ooh, another Pikachu. Hopefully we got the good luck going here. Sinistea. Wooloo. Reverse holographic Blipbug. And a full art Snorlax V. That's... yes. Got some good luck now. Getting some pretty decent full art cards. At least in my opinion. I don't know what the market is for him. That'll be something I look up later, but look at that Snorlax. He looks awesome. Alright. This is the last of the regular Sword and Shield. Hope everyone's been enjoying this. I think it's been pretty fun. Galvantula. I hate spiders. Ooh, another cactus. Perfect for Arizona. Another starter. That was good luck for us in the last one. Ooh, and a reverse holographic starter, Grookey. Ah, just a Turtonator though. It's not the luck we were looking for on the Sword and Shields, but we did pull that Sonya out of a pack, and we did pull the Snorlax V. Alright. We'll knock out these last 2 Vivid Voltage packs. Again, looking for the Rainbow Rare Chunky Pikachu. Chunkosaurus Rex. Right. And again, we will be doing a booster box pack opening for a video. So that's what I think, 36 packs. That'll be a nice video. Zipstruggle. Not a fan of that Excadrill art. I do like that Drillbur art though, that's pretty cool. Ooh. A reverse holographic Charmander. Hopefully that is some good luck. It is not. We got an X-Cloud. Man, that's some really nice art on that that Charmander there. I like that. Alright, last pack of the video. Vivid Voltage, looking for that Pikachu. Alright. Cross our fingers. Let's hope it works. Look at that ugly thing. Not a fan of it in the game either. Skidoo. Reverse holographic mag cargo. Nice card. Ooh, we did not pull the chunky Pikachu, but we did get a full art Pikachu V, which is also a really nice pull. So I am not completely upset with this pack opening. Got some good stuff, and ended off the video with the full art Pikachu. So that was definitely pretty awesome. And that's it for tonight. Thank you, everyone. Feel free to let me know what you liked about the video, what you didn't like. Make sure you check out my game streaming too, if that's something that you're into. And I will be coming with you, or at you, sorry, not with you, at you, with some more pack openings down the road. All right, thank you, everyone. HattersWrath out. Deuces.